In this channel, we will make Japanese baby food that is focused on baby's health and sense of food in the future. I want to share this with you. Let's make it! Hello, hi Mama, nice to see you again. I'm Kana. Today we will make Japanese baby food using apple. Yay! So this is the first fruit in my video. Do you remember at Garden of Eden? Apple was forbidden fruit, but I feel full of energy. Apple is also so cute. How do you think, Ray? It's cute, like me. Do you know apple tree has the cutest flower too? Apple has a lot of fiber and good for digestion. It also has a lot of potassium, so it helps to detox toxins and lower high pressure naturally. Of course, apple skin has a lot of polyphenol and nutritious, but let's wait until they are okay for reserve it. Apple should be peeled for babies under 8 months of age to ensure that they are not tummy upset. The apple is so sweet and easy to prepare for baby food. Today we will make grated juicy apple with Japanese method. Probably you will be interested. This recipe is great for 5 to 6 months stage 1 baby food. So let's get it started. First we cut a half of peeled apple. Then we cut in quarters. Cut the rest of the skin and the seed. We shred the apple with grater. This is a Japanese grater. You can find the Daiso, but you can always use a hand blender too. It is important to extract juice first, because we want to add water this time to concentrate apple's sweetness. We put the apple and the juice in the pan. Then heat with low and stir until when it's boiled. So it's boiled and it is okay. You only give apple from 1 tablespoon like this. Okay, let's eat. 食べようかね。Let's eat. Okay, じゃあいただきます。いただきます。Let's eat apple. なんでかな。レイちゃん、レイちゃん、食べる。ね甘い？どうかな？いいよ。興味はある。美味しいから。 あ、コップしたね。あー、ロケしたね。本当だ。どうやった？や、火があり。やったり。ごちそうさまでした。あー、you bite my finger. You wanna eat more? So let's talk about apple. You can eat too. You can top on the yogurt. It's gonna be good. It's so sweet. So normally we can't eat together stage 1 baby food because we need to watch them. But today we can eat together. It is always fun to eat together with someone. Today we made apple grated apple for stage 1 for baby, and he tasted a lot. I was so happy. So I will make more healthy Japanese food next video. じゃん Thank you for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。バイバイ。バイバイ。